Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in. I'm Nuala Black and this is Foxy at 50, and today I've got a great juice recipe to show you, and it's called Banish Cellulite, which really does speak for itself. Now, all women are plagued by this demon, as I like to call it, and that is all women. It doesn't matter for who you are or from what walk of life, you've probably got cellulite. But it's good to know that there are things that we can do to lessen the effects, and you can actually eliminate cellulite altogether. Now, if you haven't seen my other juicing recipes, do check them out, particularly the one that's called The Benefits of Juicing, because it's good to know exactly what all the different fruits and veg can do for us and why we should be eating more, particularly in this day and age when our diets are so bad, so full of processed foods, so full of saturated fats, and that's what you can thank for your cellulite. So eating a diet that is low in saturated fats, so in particular meat and dairy products, and then ramping up the fruit and veg is vital if you want to get rid of cellulite or stop any more from forming. And we've all heard it a million times, you can't turn on the TV nowadays without somebody saying that for every ailment known to man, the scientific evidence is saying eat more fruit and veg to either cure it or stop it from happening in the first place. So many of these diseases or these awful skin complaints are because of the modern day diet. So the science says stop eating saturated fats and processed foods and start eating way more fruit and veg. And if you've seen my other videos, you'll know that I don't even think 5 a day is enough. I think we should be on 10 a day. But the sad news is that most people in the UK aren't even getting their 5 a day. So that's why I'm such a fan of juicing, because if you don't like your veg, and one of the reasons most people don't like veg is because their taste buds are destroyed from all the sugar and the fats and the salt and so on. But there's plenty of vegetables I still don't like, but I know they're so good for me, so that's why I then juice them. But I do like eating them, certainly, but not all of them. So if you don't like veg, then if you juice it, have a good glass of juice, that's going to be at least 5 a day, then you've at least done that. Cut down on the fats and you'll see a difference in the cellulite. So the fruit and veg I have chosen today are particularly high in certain compounds that are good for fighting or stopping cellulite in its tracks. But remember, if you keep on filling up on saturated fats and processed foods, then the cellulite will just keep on coming back. So what have we got today? Okay, so first up, apples. Now, apples are really low in calories, they're high in fibre, and they're full of antioxidants. They're also really high in pectin, and that helps to detoxify the digestive tract. Great for tackling cellulite. Then we've got our beloved beetroot. Now, I have to admit, I hate beetroot. I really can't take it at all, but it's so good for you and it's so good for eliminating cellulite. See, beetroot contains lipocene, which helps to reduce water retention, as well as potassium and vitamin E, which of course are all essential for great skin. It's also got collagen boosting vitamin A, so of course these all make a really powerful body cleanser, helping to eliminate toxins from the body and lower cholesterol at the same time. Celery is one of my favourites. It's full of water, and of course water is a great cleanser. Drink plenty of water to help flush out all the toxins from the body. But as well as this being full of water, it's also full of vitamins and minerals that are also going to help cleanse the body. It has 0 calories, again great for the digestive tract, cleans out toxins and trapped fat. So celery is a win-win. Then we've got bananas. Now you can put this in your juice or you can just eat them. I would prefer to just eat them, but then if you want the juice to taste sweeter and a bit thicker and a bit more like a shake or a smoothie, then put the banana in it by all means. Bananas are full of zinc, which is great for the skin, of course. They're full of potassium again, which helps improve blood flow, and that's what you really need as well to get rid of the cellulite, is for the blood to be flowing. So there you have it really, your bananas, your celery, your beetroot and your apples. These are all great for flushing out the toxins and the digestive tract. So, and regardless of that, just eat more fruit and vegetables, less saturated fat, and you will see a difference in the cellulite. It certainly will stop forming, and you can reverse it. You actually can reverse it by changing your diet. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any comments about today's video, any questions whatsoever, just leave them in the comments box and I will definitely get back to you. And if you want notifications of when the next video comes out, just of course ring the little bell. So until the next time, I'm Nuala Black. This is Foxy at 50. Stay safe, happy, healthy and well. Bye bye.